Oh, that's right, I forgot. I gotta do this, and you probably wanted to see this. I'm using simple green. Okay, and just that. Oh, I had it turned off. Did you know on these you got it off, and then there's one that says stream, and then there's one that's off, and there's one that's spray. Did you know that? That's simple green. Had I wiped that more with my rag, I could have made a bigger mess. Look at that. That was that grease. Well, it wasn't. You know, it's the stuff that gets marked on like graphite and stuff. That's just the cleaner at work. It's not going to mark up the carpet. And the good thing I like about simple green is I don't have to wipe it. I could blot it and stuff, but it's fine. I don't have that residue on there. It just basically made it go away. And the thing I like about simple green, the carpet is still wet. But as it's wet, as it's drying, it's still cleaning. That's what I like about it. See there? Look it. There's your tip for the day. Using simple green, I use that for all of my stuff. This is like my special arsenal product that I use for almost all of my cleaning stuff. I try the simple green first. If the simple green does not work, and I've never had it not work on carpet, but if the simple green doesn't work first, then I have to put my head together and my thinking cap and figure out what else to use. I mean, I've seen people that use goof off. Have you ever heard of goof off? That stuff stinks, or you spray different things, and with goof off, it would smell up the place, and then after a while, whenever you track any dirt, it finds exactly where that goof off is. That goof off area, and you're going to get a mark there again. It's just uncanny. And there's all kinds of carpet cleaners, but why get all that stuff when you can just use simple green? And here's another tip for you: when you're using simple green, you can buy this in a container like this, but sometimes you can get the whole gallon, and they might give you this free attached to the side of the gallon. And lots of times at Home Depot, $9.98, about $10 for a gallon of concentrate. And I use the concentrate because then when I get done with this, I use the concentrate. I only put a little bit of concentrate in here, not even that much, probably about like that. And I fill it up with water, and voila, I got another container of simple green. That'll save you all kinds of bucks, because for this, I don't know how much. I've not priced it at the store lately. But probably for this bottle, it's probably $5-6. And for a gallon of concentrate, it's $10. Maybe if you don't get it at a box store, it might be $12. But I think you can fill up, I don't know, 30 containers out of a gallon or so, maybe more. So why wouldn't you want to get the concentrate? So get the concentrate. Even if this bottle does not come with it, you can buy one thing of simple green, or you can buy just a plastic bottle for $1 or $1.50 at the store, and then use your simple green concentrate for it. That works good. There's your tip for the day.